Are you looking for the best printers for small business? In this video we will look at some of the best printers for small business on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Brother MFCL 2750DW. If your business only needs to print black and white documents, get the Brother MFCL 2750DW instead, an all-in-one monochrome laser printer. It produces high-quality documents, doesn't take long to warm up, and prints quickly at 36 pages per minute. It doesn't cost much to maintain, as the toner cartridge yields about 1,200 prints and is cheap. Also, unlike color printers, there's only one cartridge to replace. The drum is a separate unit, but you likely won't need to replace it often, as it usually lasts about 12,000 prints. The scanner scans up to 7 pages per minute through the feeder and processes double-sided sheets in a single pass. If you want to save more money, you can look at a cheaper variant of the MFCL 2750DW, the Brother MFCL 2710DW. It performs almost identically but lacks duplex scanning and prints a tad slower at 32 pages per minute. It doesn't have a touch-sensitive display but instead has more buttons to help you navigate the settings menu. The print quality is the same, and its page yield is similar as it uses the same toner cartridge. Number 2. Brother HLL 2390DW. Our best budget pick is the Brother HLL 2390DW. It's also an all-in-one monochrome model, but unlike the pick above, it lacks an automatic feeder and Ethernet connectivity. It still prints sharp-looking documents and does so quickly at 32 pages per minute. The toner cartridge is good for around 1,400 prints and is relatively cheap, so you don't need to worry about high maintenance costs. The drum is a separate unit you'll have to spend extra to replace, but you won't need to do it too often as it usually lasts 12,000 prints. This model has a variant, the Brother HLL 2395DW. It's the same printer but with Ethernet connectivity, a larger touch-sensitive display, and a slightly faster printing speed. A color inkjet alternative in the same price range would be the Brother MFCJ 4335DW. It has an ADF-equipped scanner, prints incredibly detailed photos, and has better black page yield. However, there are some compromises, as it doesn't print as quickly, and like most inkjet printers, it requires more maintenance. Number 3. Epson EcoTank ET15000. For businesses that need to print posters, we recommend the Epson EcoTank ET15000, an inkjet all-in-one printer that supports tabloid-size paper up to 13 inches by 19 inches. Its ink tank yields thousands of prints, so it's a great choice for printing large posters in bulk, and replacement ink is cheap, which helps keep your maintenance costs low. You get Wi-Fi, USB, and Ethernet connectivity, as well as support for Apple AirPrint and more pre-print service. It has a high-resolution scanner with an ADF, however, it's a little slow as it can only process up to 5 pages per minute and lacks duplex scanning capability, so you'll have to scan double-sided sheets manually. Although it doesn't have the best color accuracy, photos and graphics still look very colorful and incredibly detailed. Number 4. HP OfficeJet 250. If you travel for your business or run a kiosk at fairs, you might need a portable printer. We recommend the HP OfficeJet 250. It's super compact and has a rechargeable battery that lasts about 225 prints on a full charge. It produces good quality documents, although it's a little slow, so it isn't the best for printing long reports. Also, it can only print around 100 to 150 pages before it runs out of ink, so you'll need to carry a few extra cartridges. That said, you can get XL cartridges that'll last longer, and it works with third-party ink. Surprisingly, it has an ADF scanner, so you can still scan documents on the go. It scans at a maximum resolution of 600 dpi, which isn't as good as a desktop printer but more than enough for text documents and photos.